There are two ways to perform this color change. First with setup, and the second with no setup. First I will show you the first version with setup, like I did in the trailer. The setup is easy. You just choose any card, okay, that you want to use. And in this case I will use these two cards, okay, uh, Five of Hearts and King of Clubs. All I do, I just reverse the one of them, okay. In this case is King of Clubs, okay. And I just remember the next card is five. This is the key card, okay. After that, okay, you can start with turn your deck face up and you spread until you find your key card, okay. In this case, Five of Hearts, okay. When I found Five of Hearts, I just stop. Remember, don't too much because you will reveal this, okay. So you just spread until you find the key card. If you want it, you can put a break right your key card, okay, right here, and you just spread and easy find your key card, okay. After you find your key card, you do double leaf, okay. So this is double leaf, okay. Remember here, double leaf, and you just put in this position, okay. So after here, I just place like this, and this is what you're gonna do. So right now you are in this position, okay, and you touch the card, okay, with your middle finger and thumb, and the bottom portion you just a little bend, and all you just press, and when you pull the card at the same time, you just release your middle finger and just hold it with your thumb and your point finger like this, okay, like this, okay. So here, bend it, let go. If with one card, all you do is just do like this, okay. Remember, just bend the uh, bottom portion and just release here. So this is what you're gonna do when you are in this position. Come, grab, when you pull at the same time, release and come back, okay. So from the front it's look like this. So here, grab and come back, okay. And you are in this position. What you're gonna do, okay, you just push, okay, the top card. At the same time, you just take the final card, okay. So one more time, okay. Remember, just take any card. In this case I will use these two cards, okay. I remember this key card, spread, okay, stop until you found your key card, okay. Take double leaf, okay, and do in this position, okay. Come, when you pull, remember when you pull at the same time let go, okay. So here, come, let go, come back, okay. Remember, you just pull down the back card and take out the final card, and you can show it, or you can hand out this to your audience. And this is the second version with no setup. All you do is same, but just a little different presentation, okay. You just take any card, okay, and just turn the face up, put it on top of your deck. After that, you just do double leaf, okay, and you just turn your deck face up and just do this position, okay. It's same. After that, same, just do, okay, the chain, okay. To clean up, remember, just pull the back card and take out the final card, okay. And of course, if you perform this on our real life performance, you can hand out this for your audience.